Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You must begin by accepting a simple constraint. You cannot pair an Apple Watch directly to an iPad. Instead, get an iPhone ready because that's the required host. Once done, erase or reset the watch if it has prior data. Make sure the iPhone is signed into your Apple ID, has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and that you know your Apple ID password. This step prevents delays and explains why the iPhone is essential for the only supported setup path. On the iPhone, open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. You'll scan the animated pattern on the watch or tap to pair manually, so follow the camera prompts. This links the devices securely. Next, choose Setup for Myself or Family Setup as needed, then restore a backup or configure as new. Enter your Apple ID and watch passcode when prompted. Once the watch is paired on the iPhone, the device will sync Watch OS, apps, and settings. This is why the iPhone is mandatory for initial setup. Finish by confirming health, notifications, and app permissions on the iPhone's watch settings. These control what the watch can access. Then sign the iPad into the same Apple ID so you share purchases, messages, and iCloud data. Note, the watch itself remains tied to the iPhone. If something goes wrong, unpair or factory reset the watch and retry pairing from the iPhone. This clears configuration conflicts. If problems persist, update iPhone and Watch OS before attempting again to eliminate software incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.